Alright, everybody, 2013 Topps Chrome Hobby Box break. 24 packs, guaranteed one hit. And this is, I got plenty more boxes of this to break still. I haven't broken a Chrome in a few weeks now, so I've ripped into some retail, but no hobby, so should be a fun one. I like to start my Chrome packs. Okay, we're empty and off. Jared Allen refractor. Tavon Austin and EJ Manuel 86. Christian Michael, Tallboy, Kenny Stills. Des Bryant refractor. Kiko Alonso, he's having a good season. Mike Glennon, Lattimore, and Stedman Bailey 86. Got a blue wave in this pack. Kaepernick, Jenkins, and cool, Patrick Willis blue wave. These are not numbered. Lane Johnson and Jarvis Jones. Darren Sproles refractor. That's a weird looking card. I've never seen that. Maybe I just haven't pulled it. It feels like an SP, but it's probably not. A Jocko. And then Eifert 86. Jacoby Jones. I think I got a Jacoby Jones Prism here. This is Bernard. Yeah. Jacoby Jones Prism out of 260. Cool Andrew Luck refractor. Geno Smith. Kasim Green. More color. Keenan Allen rookie and Forte camo to 499. Polamalu refractor. Robert Woods. Cool, Kenny Stills. Marquise Goodwin mini. Crabtree refractor. Choco and Mingo. Landry Jones. Cordell Patterson, 86. Tyler Wilson. Eric Decker, pink. 399. Josh Freeman. Kenny Vaccaro. 3 packs left. Still no hit. Oh, that's awful, guys. Absolutely awful. Chris Harper. Out of 600. That's bad, guys. Sorry you had to see that. It's not the way to break chrome, but that's the way it goes sometimes. Cordell Patterson. Oh, cool. Got a cool sepia in here. Kenny Vaccaro sepia. Cool card. Out of 99. He actually broke his ankle last game. He's out for the rest of the season, but that's a cool sepia. Carson Palmer, and that's it. So another fun break of chrome, guys. Tune in for many more videos.